Okay, what do you call your job?
Saan ba yan? Saan ba yan?
What job is that?
Saan
Huh?
ba yan sa may bandang 14?
Carpet cleaning? Is that what you do every day?
Yeah, every spring break. No.
Every spring break?
Yeah,
So only
because
1 week,
I have-
1 week a year?
Huh?
Oh, malapit pa rin.
So you only do that for 1 week?
No,
Every
I just
year.
do it forever.
Forever you mean every day or
Ma, am I going to do? Wait, never mind. Yeah, every day.
every day?
Yeah.
So you did that last week too?
Huh? No, we just started today.
Oh, you just started today. Wednesday man karon. What did you do yesterday and Monday?
Oh, yesterday, Monday, carpet cleaning too. And yeah.
Do you like it?
Huh? No.
Why not?
Huh? Yeah, there's so many colors.
Gamay man kay na imong carpet oh. Gamay naman kay na imong limpyuhan oh.
See, look at even under the leg.
Gamay ra kay na. Sige,
Look
dali
at
na.
there.
You can do that. Sige na. Dali kay para mag-just dance na ta kay. Kinahanglan ta mag-exercise.
Pero hindi na yan tatawid, diba? Yung pinaka-school bus, nasa side nyo na.
Karunga.
Ay. The faster, the better.
Yeah.
Yun yung ano ko. Tapos kung magbaba siya mag-isa pag uwi. Ayun yung magpo-cross sa 48, ayoko niya.
Hindi. Susutuin ko pa rin talaga siya.
Okay.
Kaya naman siya, susutuin siya ni George.
Pamilya naman si George dyan.
Oh, smile, sabi smile.
Kaharian niya.
Smile. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.